Hello guys, so today we're gonna go through on Hamster Kombat update and a listing date. They have recently announced the airdrop and I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your funds. So you want to go ahead to your Hamster Kombat, and first guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, right here on Hamster Kombat, you will see an option airdrop and you want to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, the airdrop listing date is September 26th, so it's 16 days from now, and they will basically list their Hamster Kombat coin, and you of course will be able to withdraw it. As you can see, the withdrawal is OKX and Bybit. You can also connect your OKX or Bybit and connect your Talon wallet, some other. So OKX and Bybit, as you can see, is early birds, so I would suggest to use one of those. If you click on Bybit Exchange, as you can see, you can register and off-chain deposit start, deposit end, and to be announced. Basically, everything is not confirmed yet. So there will be off-chain deposits and they will be enabled soon. So that's pretty much it, guys. On September 26th, you will be able to withdraw Hamster Kombat. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.